Alright, so we're going to take this thing on a nice little drive. I've owned and driven a lot of E36 M3s, and this thing is just peak for me with the S50. I love these cars. They are hands down some of the best bang for the buck out there. They handle like they're on rails, and they're just a blast to drive. You know, you put them up against $100,000 cars and they're gonna out-handle them in the corners. They're not winning any sprints against a Hellcat, but super smooth, classic BMW delivery.